Hey, welcome to Pro Transfers. So we get a lot of questions about how to understand if there's a transparent background or if there's not a background on your image. So I'm going to walk you through the two easiest ways you can do that using our system. So what you can do is log in, you'll come here, and then you can take artwork, drag and drop. Now this background with these dots is always our standard background. And as you can see, this has a black background on it. You can change the color of the background by selecting any of these different palettes over here, and you'll watch the background change, and if that square stays there you have a black background on it. Now if you want to, you can go to our pre-flight tool and also check it there by upload the same image. Here we're going to get this black background, and again, similar, you can change background color, and if that background stays there like the black is, it's gonna be a picture with a background. It is not transparent. Quickly here though, if you notice that in the pre-flight tool, you can go to remove color, click on that black, give it a second, and now you can see that black is removed. You can check other colors, see how that everything is just settling and nesting on the back of that color. That means that background's removed. If you got it the way you want it, you can simply download it, head back to the ordering site, and re-upload that image. And as you can see now, you can see the background there. Again, we can change it a little bit. Now you're seeing that that image is transparent behind it, and it's nesting on all the different colors.